One Benjamin is a new mixed-use development in Farringdon, located in central London. Designed by world-renowned architects Alfred Hall Monaghan Morris and situated directly opposite the new Farringdon rail station, the building provides over 43,000 square feet of office, retail, and residential space. Headroom height was a key consideration during the design and build of One Benjamin. The building's original air conditioning design specified 4 downflow units per floor, 2 supplying the rear zone of the building and 2 for the front zone. Each zone was split into 2 further zones, one supplying cool air toward the perimeter of the building to combat solar gain, and the other providing warmer air to the central areas of the office space, where there is less heat generated by the sun. The project's main contractor, Knight Harwood, had worked with AET Flexible Space, makers of underfloor air conditioning, on a previous project at 20 Soho Square. With One Benjamin, the contractor saw an opportunity to redesign the original Stage 3 hot-cold aisle design and to implement AET's underfloor air conditioning solution for the 3 floors of office space, where its highly flexible system would be well suited to cope with the variations in temperature across the building caused by increased or decreased sunlight. An underfloor air conditioning system uses the few inches of space beneath a raised access floor to create the air ventilation path, eliminating the need for ductwork and piping. Underfloor air conditioning enables savings in construction materials, installation costs, fit-out and reconfiguration costs. In new build construction, it can free up additional lettable space or reduce overall building height. Notably for this project, it allows for more room overhead, an average usable space saving of 15%. At One Benjamin, each of the 3 floors was divided into zones of up to 300 square meters, depending on the potential use and occupancy density of the area. Each zone was then supplied with chilled or warmed air by a Zonal Air Handling Unit, or CAM, which stands for Conditioned Air Module. The conditioned air is delivered into the space using a number of recessed fan terminals, or fan tiles. Air travels back to the CAM for reconditioning, either at floor level via the plenum, CAM-C, or at high level, CAM-V. Both of these systems can be configured to either chilled water or direct expansion. One Benjamin selected AET's most flexible system, the CAM-V, which makes use of the raised floor void as a plenum for the distribution of supply air, while receiving return air back to the CAM unit near the ceiling level. With a CAM-V system, there is a considerable amount of flexibility in where the fan tiles can be placed, allowing for easy reconfiguration depending on the particular needs or layout of an office. For maximum flexibility, each fan tile is supplied with onboard fan speed and set point adjustment. In meeting rooms and cellular space, AET used Flex Touch wall-mounted controllers, which allow units to adjust the fan speed and temperature and monitor and control carbon dioxide and humidity. By using the AET underfloor air conditioning system, the contractors were able to eliminate much of the ceiling-based services and ductwork. The offices were developed to provide a sustainable workplace, due to a reduced amount of building materials needed for an AET underfloor system, as well as its long-term flexibility. The project was awarded an excellent rating through the Building Research Establishment Environmental Assessment Method, which assesses the sustainability of buildings. The project was awarded an excellent rating through the Building Research Establishment Environmental Assessment Method, which assesses the sustainability of buildings. The building was completed in July 2019 and is now beginning to rent its office space and residential units.